Hi guys, Sarah here. I thought I would do a little face video for you guys first. It's been quite some time since I've been posting videos and really just doing anything. I have not touched any paper crafts, stamping, coloring since March of 2020. March of 2020. Pretty much when everything started happening and we all got sent home from work, I just kind of lost interest in doing that stuff because I'm working from home in my craft room, and when work is done, I kind of want to get out of the craft room. So I have not been doing any crafts. I have been doing, I did do quite a bit of diamond painting at the beginning, and it's kind of worn down lately. I don't have carpal tunnel, but I get pains in my hands and from diamond painting and typing all day. Yeah, so I haven't really done a lot, but I have had some that I've shared with you guys. Madison has been doing some. I do have some paintings that I am working on and going to be completed soon. I have some unbaggings to share with you guys. Companies are still reaching out to me to do review videos, so I will continue to do that to share with you. And as things start opening up in Ontario, we're going to get back out in the world and stop sitting at home watching Netflix and just, doing nothing. So we're going to get back to normal life, hopefully soon. But today I do have a finish to share with you guys. I have a really nice diamond painting that I wanted to share with you that I finished a little while ago. So let me bring the camera down and we will get that one going. Okay, so this one I am pretty excited about. This is a diamond painting that I actually purchased myself from FGNormal. It is a 40 by 40, but it's not square in shape, it's round. Round drill, but actually a round painting. I called it round koi, so it's the koi fish. Let me flip it over for you guys. Take a look at that, isn't it beautiful? So when I say round, it's the actual image is round and there's just white in the corners, so you can frame it with a square frame or put it on like a round piece of mat board or a piece of wood. I'm not sure what how I'm gonna frame it, but I really love the way this one turned out. The drills were excellent. It looks so beautiful and sparkly. The stickiness is good. The stickiness did come over a little bit down in the end here, but most of it's kind of rubbing off from my arm from touching it when I was actually doing the diamond painting. It had 22 colors, all DMC codes, and I had paid, I think it's in pounds that I wrote it down, because FGNormal, once you've paid for your order, everything shows up in pounds instead of Canadian or US. So this was $5.99, and this was one that I ordered back in April of 2020. Yeah, so absolutely gorgeous. The colors are so pretty. You can see all the little fish, the lilies, everything. I believe that these are like rocks down in the back, but it just looks so pretty. This was one that I kitted up in my Saner Direct box here. I love this. It's just so easy. And I left the stickers on, just numbered 1 to whatever, from the one that I used before. So it was easy enough just to use the numbers that way. I'm getting more used to that. I used to go by the symbols, but I'm getting more used to just using the numbers, especially on these like smaller quick snack paintings. I have extra of every single color. I did not run out of any color, and quality was great. I had no issues. Colors were really pretty and bright. So the ones for the koi fish are this large one, these 2, and then 2 up here. So lots left over. Let me see actually if I can. The only issue I've had with this is that the one pops off, but it pops back on. It's not broken. Can you see that? So these ones up here, there is all drills left over, there, and those two colors. So lots left over, good quality. That was FGNormal. All right, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, and getting back to normal. As I said, I am just looking forward to booking a haircut. As you guys noticed, my hair's gotten a little out of control. But yeah, let me know what you have been up to lately in the comments, and have a great day. All right, thanks. Bye.